everyone and welcome back to Legal Edge After College का YouTube चैनल। तो स्पेसिफिकली हमें बहुत ज़्यादा डाउट होता है कि हमें एलएलएम करना क्यों है, किस लिए करना है, क्या ज़रूरत है एलएलएम अटेम्प्ट करने की। तो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि हमें एलएलएम में अपियर करने के लिए हम एलएलएम करना है या नहीं करना है, ये हम किन फैक्टर्स को कंसिडर करके डिसाइड करते हैं। सबसे पहले रीजंस टू ऑप्ट फॉर एलएलएम स्पेशलाइजेशन। हमारा ग्रेजुएशन चाहे बीएलएलबी हो, चाहे बीबीएलएलबी हो, बीकॉम एलएलबी हो या फिर हम 3 ईयर लॉ करें, उसमें हमें कोई स्पेसिफिक स्पेशलाइजेशन नहीं मिलता है। एलएलएम हमें एक एज देता है क्योंकि वो हमें एक स्पेसिफिक स्पेशलाइजेशन देता है जहां पर हम अपने एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट में काम कर सकते हैं और कुछ रोल्स के लिए हम लोग एलिजिबल हो जाते हैं because and we get edge over the other aspirants, and this gives us an edge over the other aspirants in this particular field. Then it helps us to improve our research skills. Now in LLM studies we have to write some kinds of dissertations, some papers as a part of curriculum, so that basically helps us to improve research skill. Plus if you're inclined towards research, then you should definitely opt for LLM. Then you meet the growing demands. Obviously if you have a post graduation in law, that will give you an edge over a candidate having just undergraduation. So that is also the increasing demand of the society and of the sector specifically. कुछ स्पेसिफिक पोजीशन सिर्फ और सिर्फ एलएलएम ग्रेजुएट्स के लिए आती है, तो उन पोजीशंस में हम लोगों को एलिजिबिलिटी मिल जाती है एंड वी कैन ऑप्ट फॉर इट वेरी नाइसली. प्लस इट improves our career perspectives. Obviously having a post graduation degree is way better than having a mere graduation degree, so it helps us meet, it helps us improve our career prospects and specifically our CV for that matter. Earning potential. एलएलएम की डिग्री के साथ हमें बेटर पैकेज, बेटर पे पैकेज मिलने की पॉसिबिलिटीज है. Then to become a law teacher, if you want to become a professor, assistant professor in this particular field of law, then specializations in the form of LLM, pursuing LLMs is a must do thing. LLM हमें करना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि that's the basic requirement, that's the basic requirement for becoming eligible to enter in this particular stream. So we have to mandatorily do an LLM if we are aiming to become a law teacher. All right. Then why LLM? It's also a stepping stone to your PhD study. If you wish to pay, if in the future you wish to appear for PhD and you aim to become a doctor in the stream of law, then it's better to pursue LLM because that is a stepping stone for your PhD. After completing your LLM, you become eligible to pursue PhD. You cannot pursue PhD without completing LLM studies. So it's a stepping stone for your PhD studies also. Upgradation to better knowledge prospects. Obviously when you do specialization in a specific subject, you gain certain extra knowledge on that particular point. Plus it's a kind of upgradation you are doing in your specific study and knowledge area. So pursuing LLM helps you to upgrade yourself in the particular area of specialization which is best suited to your interest. अकेडमिक्स में एंटर करना है, अकेडमिक्स में रहना है, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर बनना है, तो हमको एलएलएम तो करना ज़रूरी ही है. तो ये कुछ रीजंस है जिसके लिए आपको एलएलएम करना चाहिए. यदि इसमें से कुछ भी रीजंस अवेलेबल हैं आपके स्पेसिफिक केस के अंदर, देन यू शुड डेफिनेटली ऑप्ट फॉर द फर्दर स्टडीज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एलएलएम, because then you will be a post graduate in the stream of law and that will help you to be upgraded in this particular stream. So that's it. That was some reasons why, as a student, you should decide to appear for LM after your undergraduate studies. Then there's a good news for all the CLAT PG aspirants. There's a last chance to win 100% scholarship on our PG course. All right, All India CLAT PG 2023 Comprehensive Course Scholarship Test is scheduled on 14th August. So it's the last scratch, chance to win 100 up to 100% scholarship for the course. So you may appear for the test by registering, and you may get the information in the description box below of the video. So if you are aiming to write CLAT PG in the near future, then the solution to your problem is here. Attempt the test and you can join us in our CLAT PG comprehensive course 2023, where we make you future ready and we help you to qualify and crack the best national or university in the country for your LLM studies. Thank you and all the best.